BBBY stock, Bed Bath & Beyond, lost 22.49% and up 1.91% in this post-market session of the 6th of January 2022. And the folks at, or before that, the short interest still at 49.04%, increased by 6%. That was pretty much the same thing yesterday. And we have that the folks at Morningstar, they're saying here that amongst many things they're saying, if Bed Bath remains a going concern, it could possibly return to a low single digit operating margin by 2026. This would require a few factors. First, creditors would have to be willing to work with the retailer to keep it afloat, unlikely given the failed debt exchange. Next, gross margin would have to stabilize through better inventory management processes, also likely in their opinion. Last, housing demand would have to stabilize to support sales. Even if all these factors cooperated, any gains would likely be offset by continued investments as the home furnishing landscape remains fragmented and competitive, limiting profitability. And the bears have something to say. People who are optimistic like yourself, they're saying that less discretionary categories such as linens, tiles, and cookware offer some resiliency amid macroeconomic cyclicality. Registries across bridal, baby, and gift have historically proved a steady stream of customers. Ongoing closures of underperforming stores could help lift the profitability of the business faster than we anticipate, as better performing stores make up a greater proportion of the fleet. Cleaner inventories and reverted focus on national brands may attract greater footfalls, with the comparable sales metrics proving more positive than the forecast. And the bears are saying, the same person that wrote the bull case is also the same person that wrote the bear case, says that lower customer switch costs, along with the convenience of utilizing e-commerce and mass merchant peers, should continue to pressure long-term traffic and margin trends. New homeowners represent a significant portion of home-related purchases, tying results to the housing market and home turnover, which have been struggling in recent periods. With the inability to stimulate sales and a flailing strategic initiative plan, the return to profitability at Bed Bath remains elusive. Current inventory management issues could take a significantly longer duration to remedy than expected. Okay, yeah, that's what they're saying there concerning Bed Bath. Okay, yeah, so as I said earlier on, 49.04% is the short interest. This is the 1 minute live chart. Okay, there are no upper projections on trading view concerning the stock. Okay, no upper projections. Let's have a look at the daily chart and see what we have there. Okay, on the daily chart there are a lot of upper projections. You won't believe it, a lot of them. We're looking at $31.47. That is really ambitious. The closest will be $3.05, 7.15. It sounds really ambitious. This is a company that the folks here at Morningstar saying that they could run out of liquidity by this first quarter of 2023. Okay, but maybe a lot of things. The stock has been in a bearish trend for some time. Let's see. Let's plot its momentum. We're going to see what is there. We're going to see slow stochastic oscillator. And RSI. Let's find out what they're saying on the daily chart for BBBY. all of them are, especially momentum in the underwater, oversold, and RSI is also just hovering above that. So yeah, in the midst of all of this negativity, you never know, never say never. Yeah. So today printed a 52-week low. Price reached a new 52-week low of $1.27. This is beneath the previous low of 1.63 by 22.09%, and it is 95.78% below the 52-week high of $30.06. Some have even some have price targets of 10 cents for BBBY. So yes, you can see what we have here. Upper projection on a daily chart, all the way up towards $33, 31.55. That is really, really, really ambitious. Okay, let's look at the weekly chart, and you see, oh my goodness, upper projection of 85.95, unbelievable. And the closest it has a 44.47. Well, short interest is there. Things can change. Yeah, short interest, and there's meaning that there's money locked into the stock. So 49, what do we have there? 49.04%. That is roughly $75 million or thereabouts, slightly over $70 million. If $70 million is aggressively forced into the stock, what I mean is, by that I mean, if they are, for instance, if those short positions are being closed by the broker is not going to use limit orders, is going to use market orders, and that is aggression. It would entail aggression. So this is just hypothetical, but for sure, $70 million, more than $70 million is locked into the stock. So when it's going to rebound, who knows? It could be when it has retraced further. So let's have a look at this daily chart. You can see 1-minute live chart. It has projections all the way down to 1.24. Okay, so I think in this post market session, it has inched up, but that doesn't bring any comfort at all. 2.24%. So see what you make of BBBY stock, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.